this, okay. Okay, I'm just coming out or arriving from now just a few seconds ago from doing my groceries after work, and I will show you what I got. First, this big bag of chocolates that I will use for doing some goodies for my cashiers. I think I have more than enough, because the other thing that I bought for them, let me try to get this without breaking. So these little mugs or ceramic bowls, it comes two in each package, and it was $2, so it's $1 if you think. So and I will be doing like 20 gift bags. Let me show you the different designs that I got. One second, I don't want to break this. And this is the other one. So those are the designs. I think are cute. And I'm planning to put candies inside and make a big bag there, and maybe the card in the base. I think that's the idea for now. So I still need to craft all the cards. So let me take all of those 20, and I try to kind of get the same quantity of each color, but not sure how many we got. I was trying to get whatever I was able to get in that moment. Okay, so we got all of those. Then I got, this is for the bag that I will have for my husband. So not so loud. He loves this, so I decided to get a small one because I think he will like. I got this. He loves M&Ms, and this is a dark chocolate mini. I hope he likes that. And I kind of wanted to get the wrapping paper because he will notice, so I got this, and I got that will look good with this one. I got cards, extra cards also for birthday, because his birthday is coming. So this is an anniversary. Oh, I hear him. 1 second, I don't want him looking. Okay, keep going and hurry up. I got a sticky paper things that I need also for work. This is some Halloween goodies that we love to have. Most him than me. But anyway, so this is, and I have to hurry, and I have to put this together for him. Okay, this part will be a little quiet because I don't want him to listen. But this is what I got. I think he will like this. Let's put together. Let me turn this. Good morning. Is Wednesday. Oh my gosh, I'm so lost in the days. Outside of the dollar store. Actually, I'm working, but I needed to get some stuff for some projects that we have. I didn't notice that the dollar store opened at 9 and it's 8:53. So I'm waiting. I think I'm not the only one waiting. I see another lady waiting there. Say too much. I need to get some leathers and stars or some stuff like that. But if I cannot find, I will have to cut by myself everything and do it. Is for a special board that we need. Maybe I should buy the candies that I need to. I don't know. We will see. We will see. So far, this is a pretty gloomy day. Let me show you. Parking area is really weird, very quiet. You have Jack in the Box there. Oh, there looks like very empty. Then you have a coffee station, Taco Time, some Mexican food and others, and almost nobody park here. Oh, Heidi.